Hi, I'm Peter.
I'm Jennifer.
We are Team Hydra. We're here today
Beautiful Manly Dam, Sydney, New South Wales.
and we're going to present an introduction to our surface deformation laser array. So the genesis for our idea of how to detect a leak, underground leak, deep inside an embankment dam, actually came from a bit of an observation. So in Manly, the substructure is mostly granite, probably an ancient volcano. So there's granite, sandstone, and just usual ground that you would have
Sediment.
normally. Yeah, sediment, yeah. And what you notice is that when it doesn't rain, the gate won't open, it locks up. So the fence posts move together. And then when it rains, about three days later, the gate doesn't jam. So then we thinking, oh, okay, what's causing that? Well, most probably it's the water, right? So it's the water going into down deep into the substrate, into the rocks, and causing a small expansion of those rocks, and that manifests itself on the surface, obviously, as a topological surface change. So then we got the idea, well, if you have an embankment dam and you have an underwater leakage, first thing that's going to happen is you're going to change the water content in the ground underneath, and that's going to cause a topological change on the surface. But if you try to detect that with a laser, for instance, you're detecting a surface which is going to change anyway. But if you put a pole array with laser measuring devices on the top, and you had, say, submicron change in the angle of the pole, that would be magnified at the top of a 2, 3, or 4 meter pole. And using laser interferometers, yeah, you can measure distances down into the submicrons. So our idea is to use a multiple array of poles that are set into the ground deep enough so that they pick up the changes in the shape, filter out all of the background noise, and then use a machine learning code to detect the location, or the probable location, of the focal point of the leak. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Jennifer is heading up our marketing and business manager, and also in charge of procurement.
And finance.
And finance.
Yeah, leave it with a woman.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.